Hi there guys and gals, come over here. We're still here in Rizal Park. We're gonna have some ice cream session and pizza session. Open your mouth. This is for you. Pistachio. We have pizza. Want some pizzas? Be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. Even if still sorry, cold, still tastes so good.
Yummy. Crunchy.
In our back is St. Raphael Church. Ah! Sorry.
Ice cream.